How to make a PC. 1. The fuel must be mounted on the cabinet chassis. The screws must be placed to hold it. 2. The processor must be placed on the CPU. The CPU has a mark on one of these corners cut from where the processor must be placed correctly. 3. The motherboard must be mounted on the cabinet chassis and then fixed with the screws that come from the factory with the case. 4. The RAM must be assembled after placing the motherboard in the box chassis and then carefully placing each module. 5. The cables must be connected to the motherboard before continuing to introducing components. 6. Video cards, Wi-Fi, or an Ethernet connection must be mounted on the motherboard. 7. The internal device will be connected to the computer, and then we will connect the solid-state disk. 8. The power cable must be connected from the power supply to the slot of the hard disk, and then the SATA cable of the union to connect into the motherboard. 9. Loose cables must be accommodated from inside the cabinet using straps or elastic bands. 10. Peripherals must be attached to the cabinet in the corresponding slots, and specific duties of the electrical current. 11. The operating system must be installed to later configure the parameters of the computer. 12. These are the steps for assembling a PC.